In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to change out the master switch in a three-way switch configuration. Previously, we changed out the accessory switch, so we know the power is still off at the breaker. So we're going to go ahead and remove the wall plate. Now again, in a three-way switch setup, orientation of the switch doesn't necessarily determine wiring. So we're going to go ahead and remove this. Take out our switch itself, and we'll have the same four wires as we did in the accessory. We'll have a ground, we will have hot, white, and red. Okay, so we know from our previous testing that our common is in fact the dark colored screw head, so it's the white wire. And in this type of switch, when we are replacing it, we are actually going to use the red wire from the new ClareVue switch to attach to the common. Then we will combine the red and the black to the black wire of the ClareVue, and then we will use the white directly to the neutral inside the box and green to ground. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these and get them ready. Get our switch out of there. Okay, now if there's enough wiring, typically it's easier, as we've done before, to go ahead and cut off the curved part and get a fresh piece of wire, because we are going to be using wire nuts. As with all the Clare switches, they come with wire leads, not screw terminals. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start to make our connections. Now all the switches do come with wire nuts. Again, we're going to hook the red wire to our common, which we know is white. And anytime you are tightening up a wire nut, tighten it to the point where the wires actually start twisting on themselves. Now when combining the red-black to the black of the Clare switch, I'm going to go ahead and use a yellow wire nut. It's going to make things a little easier. Just a little larger wire nut holds 3 wires better than the orange one does. Okay. We're going to go ahead and hook our grounds up. And then we're going to get the neutral wire out from the back of the box. Now since this is the master switch, there's quite a bit of wiring crammed in here, and it's going to be fun putting it back in, that's for sure. Now they already have a large wire nut for the neutral. Some electricians tape, some don't. You can go ahead and remove the electrical tape. Expose the 3 wires there. I'm going to go ahead and add our wire. I'm going to try to make sure the ends of the wires are as close to each other as possible. Okay, good and tight. We're going to go ahead and push all the wiring back into the box gently. This is going to take some time, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. As soon as I get all the wiring pushed back in, we'll go ahead and resume.